What's up, guys? I'm finally back. Turn my radio up. Close my door. So I'm finally back. Getting all my rods ready. I'm gonna make another video on that right after this one. But I got this new reel. It's pretty new. I found it in my back shed. Holding the light for you guys. Got this little lamp thing. Boom. Okay, now let's make the video. So I just have to set up on a rod. Do a review on that, like I said later. But so I grabbed this. I noticed these things right here, so I went like that, one up. I was like, what the heck? And then I saw another one on this side. Clicked them up, and I was like, I tried pulling them down. They wouldn't go down. So this can mean a tutorial on how to use the depth locator fishing reel. Ball bearings, closes up to where does it say? I think it holds up to 4 to 10 pound test. But I put it on, I was like, oh, I don't know how to use it. And then I looked up a way to put them down and I couldn't find it, so this is going to be a tutorial on it. So after you push here, so once you push those up, you can use that to mark. You can see a little gap in between. You can use that to mark the depth where the fish are. But then say you do that your first time using it and you don't know how to put down these. All you got to do, you pull them towards you until you hear a little popping noise or a click. Just let them go. Right, do it closer this time. I'll turn the radio down so maybe you guys can hear this. Probably didn't hear the initial click that tells you when it's off, but that's basically how you use it. Do it on this side too. Nice little reel. Well, that's how you use the depth locator fishing reel.